Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking weird, so you know what that means. I am testing something out, and as promised, I will be testing the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette. It's kind of smaller than I was expecting it to be, but also not at the same time. I'm a little confused. But yeah, so there's 25 shades in this palette, 15 are eyeshadows and 6 are highlighters, and let me tell you. Well, A, there's a really good selection of highlighters, but B, the ones for lighter skin tones, my god, the colours are just amazing. And even the darker skin tone ones will look so good on the eyes on me, so very happy about that. But yeah, so it might be a little exposed. I can't see exactly how well you're seeing this. But the writing is rose gold, and it has like a kind of quilted effect with like these little like pearls on, like them really fancy kind of seeds, that kind of thing. I've never tried anything BH Cosmetics before, and I don't really watch like it. I watch the occasional Carli Bybel video, but I mean I can't remember what the last one I watched was or how long ago it was. I'm not like a massive fan necessarily, but my friend Dia uses this, and anything she uses I want to use, frankly. So it's the same on the front as it is on like the little cover thing. It's like a sleeve. And there is a little plastic covering on the mirror. And there's a pretty decent sized mirror. So inside it's marbled, so these 6 at the bottom are the highlighters. These ones are better suited to my skin tone. What I like is this white is white. It's not white with a blue / purple iridescence to it, which I love. However, this one next to it is that, but it's not appearing as white. It is like a purpley blue kind of colour, and it's really pretty. And this pink is really nice. It doesn't come out really pink, which I really like. So yeah, and then we've got a nice champagne gold, but like a darker champagne gold, a lighter rose gold, and a darker rose gold, kind of like a bronze, I guess. And then yeah, the eyeshadows I'm really looking forward to using. I think, yeah, this pink here I'm looking forward to using. So we got a good selection. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmer shades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matte shades. And we also, in their matte shades we have like a base shade. We've got a good amount of transition shades and crease shades and all that kind of stuff. I'm very happy with this. And I forgot to mention, it says Aspire to Inspire in rose gold under the mirror, which is cute. So yeah, I'm going to zoom in and we are going to review this palette. I think I'm going to put highlight on first because I feel naked not having highlight on. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to take, I think I'm just going to take this Zoeva Luxe Face Focus brush. I am also going to be trying out my new Zoeva brush, which is the 228 Luxe Crease brush. And let me tell you what collection this is. It says Rose Golden. I have a feeling it's volume 2, but don't take my word for it. It's Rose Gold and Light Pink. That's the collection. I want to kind of try everything. So I think I'm going to take the white colour, because I've always wanted like a really nice white highlight. Okay. She's pigmented. Okay, she is pigmented. I'm going to like just disperse some of what's on the brush on the other side quickly. It's like icy, you know? It is like, I don't know, I feel like it would be perfect for winter and having that really like icy highlight. I don't know. I feel like I've put this on terribly, but oh well. I'm going to mix in a tiny bit of the like pinky toned one on top, just to kind of warm it up a little. I'm gonna be seriously glowing though. Okay, I'm gonna take a mix of the two again and put them on my nose. Just, I think with it being summer, I don't want it to be too cool, but I wanted to see what this white was like. Well, so far I'm very happy with that. I'm gonna do swatches. Oh, pardon me. I'm gonna do swatches at the end of all the eyeshadows and all the highlights. So stick around for them swatches. Obviously, I know this isn't a new eyeshadow palette. You've probably seen this a million times, but this is new for me. I'm gonna quickly prime with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I'll set with that base colour that's at the bottom. I feel like I'm well and truly glowing right now, I have to say. Well, from this base colour there's no fallout in the pan, which is good. Okay, I'm just going to grab a like fluffy kind of crease brush. I'm going to go in with this colour here as my transition, so I'm going to take that in the crease and blend it upwards. It's quite like an orangey colour. It's not too orangey, which I'm quite happy with. At first I thought it was going to be like end up being really orange when you built it up, but it's not. It's like more of a apricot like peachy colour. Okay, so then to deepen up the crease I'm going to go in with this colour here. It is like a darker version of what I just used basically. And I'm going to go right in the crease with that. Them two colours go really nicely into each other. I think they're like a perfect match, you know. Okay, we're breaking out this Viva brush. I love the feel of these brushes. I love how they look. I just think they're gorgeous, quite frankly. Okay. I really want to try these pinks. Because there's like a lighter shimmery pink and then there's this darker pink. But there's also this kind of champagne-y colour here which looks really pretty. What I think I'm going to do, I'm going to take this fluffy brush, I'm going to take the darker pink. And I'm going to work that in the outer corner of my eye. Because I just love it. And I know it's shimmery, so you like, oh, don't put that in the outer corner. But you know what, I'll do what I want, thank you. Oh, okay. I am so pleasantly surprised at the pigment of this colour. Especially since it's on a fluffy brush that I'm using it on. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this brush as well. It's like blending it out so nicely at the same time. Because I am taking it up into like the crease a bit. I'm going to go up to like maybe halfway with that pink. This is the kind of brush that I would make sure I wash really frequently if I put like colour on it. Because I wouldn't want it to stain the brush because it's like such a perfect white. Anyway, I'm going to take the very light pink on the same brush. I'm going to put that on the inner corner. Well, the second half of my eye, really. I'm going to see what that pink's like on a small packing brush. I want to see if like the pink comes through more. Would help if I took enough on my brush though, wouldn't it? Okay, so it's like not really much difference. So with the fluffy brush you still get like the same amount of pigment really as with a more dense brush. So that's good to know. Where's my teeny tiny brush? Hello, teeny tiny brush. There you are. This brush I can never find. It's just so difficult to find it every time. Right, I'm going to take this colour and pop that on my inner corners. Oh, that's creamy in the pan. That's like butter. Oh, that colour's pretty. I wish I had more concealer on to cover the dark circles. That's right on my inner corners of my eye. So this would pop more, but ooh. Oh, that's a good inner corner highlight. And you wouldn't think it, I wasn't thinking it was going to be this like pow. Looking at it in the pan. But oh my god, that's a buttery shade. Like, so is the pink actually. There's a bit of fall, I've just blown away a bit, but there's a little bit of fallout on the actual, like that bit, from that darker pink and from the lighter pink. So, I mean, if you don't know how shimmery and matte eyeshadows differ, in formula, aside from obviously the shimmer in it, shimmers can have more like oil, is it? Kind of, you know, they're like more oily. So that makes them smoother and more buttery, you know? Does that make sense? Maybe, maybe not. Oh, I just love it. I need to like blend these two together a little bit more. I can't get over that champagne colour as the inner corner highlight. My god. These shadows are such good quality. Like, I got this palette for £12 because it had like £10 off. That's why I got it. But it's £22 and I'm just thinking, for the quality, it's totally worth it because you're not just getting eyeshadows, you're getting highlights as well, which, oh my god, I'm not over that. Blinding power. Just like, yes. Okay, I'm getting a bit too excited now. I'm going to quickly put something on my lower lashes. The what? I'm not sure. I might just put that darker transition colour that I used. Like the second colour, I mean, under my eye. And then there's like there's a purpley colour underneath that one. Gonna mix a bit of that in, just so it ties in with the pink from on like my top lid. I don't know. I'm gonna quickly finish this my makeup and I'll catch you in a couple of minutes. Okay, so these are the highlight shades. So then these three are like the darker shades, and these three are like the lighter shades. They're really pretty, if you couldn't tell. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but yeah. Okay, so that is the shadows swatched. I'm gonna kind of like come in a bit closer. This is like the most awkward way to film ever. I don't know how well they're coming up, but this colour right here next to the pink, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the pan. So that's what it looks like in the pan, and it's coming out like a lot more pink, but it's got like a gold shift to it. I don't know how well it's coming up, but yeah, very pretty. Love them. Okay, I have finished my makeup. I've put the NYX That's the Point eyeliner on. There is a review coming up for that soon after this review probably. The Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, and my lipstick is the Rimmel Kate Moss lipstick in 08. So, final review. I'm gonna film the swatches after this, but they'll have come before this. So that's the context of what you will have just seen. I'm in love. The colours, they're just like right up my street. And the highlight is just right up my street, and I just like... I cannot get over how pretty them pink eyeshadows are. I'm in love. I've wanted a pink eyeshadow like that for so long, and I just didn't know how much I needed it in my life until I had it, and now this might have to be my everyday eye look. Genuinely, this is how much I love it. It's so simple, but I love it. Like, I don't think I've loved an eyeshadow this much in my life, like an eyeshadow look, but also just the quality of them are so good. I'm going to let you know at the end, like at the very end, how well these held up, but I'm going to say goodbye now. So there'll just be like a little clip to let you know how well the colours lasted and if there's any creasing or not. I always use this primer, so it will be fair, like a fair test. If I just went with my normal eye, it wouldn't be a fair test because I have oily eyelids, so my eyeshadow always creases if I don't put primer on. But for me, primer works at stopping that. So, and concealer does not do the same, by the way. For anyone who says concealer does the exact same as eyeshadow primer, for me, that's not the case. It doesn't work in the slightest to just put concealer on and set it. It has to be an eyeshadow primer for some reason. Don't know why. But anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button down below and also subscribe while you're here. That would be great. And yeah, let me know in the comments anything. Just tell me about yourself. Tell me, I don't know, sound off in the comments about anything. Just talk to me, have a chat with me. It would be nice to get to know you better. And yeah, I'll see you soon, guys. Bye! Okay, so I genuinely love this palette. I don't know why I'm looking at myself and not looking at the camera. I'm very sorry. Yes, I really love this palette, like genuinely. The highlight on this side is cakey. That's my fault, put too much on. This side, however, it's beautiful. It just like, as the days gone on, it's just kind of like melted at my skin, and now it just looks like it's just like a well, not natural, but it looks like I'm just glowing. Like this side looks like I put highlighter on. This side looks like it's still obviously highlighted. It's not like it's a subtle natural highlight at all, but it doesn't look, it just looks like my skin, if you know what I mean. But I just think, I mean, the colours in this palette, they're so gorgeous. I kind of get over these two colours. Like, I haven't even put that one on, but when I swatched it, it's like, it looks like it's a bronzy colour here. But then it's like this gorgeous coral with a gold shift when you put it on. It's just like I'm quite blown away. And I got this for £12. All of this for £12. 21. It says 21 right on the back there. It says that on the front too. 21 shadows. We'll just call them shadows because you can use them on your eyes too. For £12. Even for £22 actually, that's quite good. Because it's like basically £1 a shadow, and some of them are bigger than the others, like 6 or bigger. So I never thought to look for it on Beauty Bay. I just got an email. Thank you, Beauty Bay, for knowing me so well. After so many orders, you just know me so well. And sending me the email like, oh yeah, this is £10 off. Just thought I'd let you know. Thank you. Thank you.